Welcome to our guide on the best window cleaner robots of 2024. Truly the best in the world. In a time where convenience meets innovation, these cutting-edge window cleaner robots have revolutionized the way we keep our windows spotless. Our selection is based on the latest 2024 models, taking into account advanced features, user reviews, and the unparalleled cleaning capabilities they offer. Let's dive into the world of robotic window cleaners, setting the standard for excellence in 2024. Number 5. FMART T9 Pro. Securing the number 5 position on our list of best window cleaner robots 2024 is the FMART T9 Pro window cleaning robot, a groundbreaking device that represents the pinnacle of efficient and intelligent cleaning technology. In the latest 2024 model, FMART introduces the cutting-edge ultrasonic atomization intelligent water spray feature, ensuring an optimal level of moisture for highly effective cleaning. Boasting an impressive 3,800 Pascal suction power, the T9 Pro firmly adheres to glass surfaces, while its advanced AI intelligent path planning guarantees a systematic and comprehensive cleaning process. With the added sophistication of edge detection technology, this robot maneuvers with unparalleled precision, delivering a cleaning experience that is not only hassle-free, but also leaves your windows streak-free and sparkling. Elevate your automated window cleaning experience with the added convenience of the remote control feature, allowing you to take charge of the cleaning process with unparalleled ease. FMART T9 Pro stands as a true revolution in automated window cleaning, setting new standards for excellence in 2024. In conclusion, the FMART T9 Pro window cleaning robot emerges as a standout choice, securing its place as number 5 in our best window cleaner robots 2024 list. This technological marvel, equipped with ultrasonic atomization intelligent water spray and powerful 3,800 Pascal suction, redefines automated window cleaning. Number 4. The Tosima W3. The Tosima W3 window cleaning robot is not just a cleaning device, it's a sophisticated blend of cutting-edge technology and user-centric design. Its aesthetic appeal, coupled with advanced features, makes it a standout choice in the realm of automated window cleaners. The innovative dual-direction auto spray feature doesn't just clean, it ensures an even distribution of the cleaning solution, maximizing the effectiveness of the robot on a variety of smooth surfaces. Beyond its cleaning prowess, the triple safety system prioritizes security, preventing accidents, and instilling confidence in users. The smart navigation technology takes window cleaning to a new level, enabling the W3 to navigate intelligently and reach every nook and cranny. The convenience of remote control adds a layer of customization, allowing users to adapt the cleaning process effortlessly to their preferences. With the inclusion of 12 rags, the Tosima W3 guarantees an extended cleaning routine without the hassle of frequent replacements. Step into the future of window cleaning with the Tosima W3, where innovation meets practicality, promising a spotless and gleaming finish for your windows in 2024. Number 3. Sophinique HCR-18. Claiming the prestigious number 3 spot is the Sophinique HCR-18 window cleaning robot, a versatile and efficient solution for spotless windows. This 2024 model introduces a dual spray system, ensuring optimal moisture levels for effective cleaning. As a window vacuum robot, the HCR-18 doesn't just clean, it also vacuums away the dirt and excess water, leaving your windows streak-free and dry. This innovative window cleaner is designed for both indoor and outdoor use, providing a comprehensive cleaning tool for all your glass surfaces. The intelligent design and advanced features make the Sophinique HCR-18 a reliable and effective choice for maintaining crystal clear windows in 2024. Elevate your window cleaning routine with the latest in robotic cleaning technology, Sophinique HCR-18. In the ever-evolving landscape of automated cleaning tools, the Sophinique HCR-18 window cleaning robot stands tall as a symbol of innovation and efficiency. With its dual spray system, this robot ensures that your windows receive just the right amount of moisture for optimal cleaning results. As a window vacuum robot, it goes beyond traditional cleaning methods by vacuuming away dirt and excess water, leaving your windows spotless and dry. Its versatility extends to both indoor and outdoor use, making it a comprehensive solution for all your glass surfaces. Embrace the future of window cleaning with Sophinique HCR-18, where cutting-edge technology meets practical cleaning solutions in 2024. Number 2. AlfaBot X8. Securing an impressive number 2 position is the AlfaBot X8 window cleaning robot, a game changer in the world of automated window cleaning. The 2024 model introduces a cutting-edge dual water spray system, ensuring efficient and thorough cleaning on both sides of your windows. This innovative robot goes beyond conventional methods by incorporating voice assistant technology, allowing you to control and monitor the cleaning process effortlessly. Ideal for interior and exterior high-rise windows, the X8 window cleaning cleaning robot navigates with precision, providing a streak-free finish every time. Embrace the future of smart window cleaning with AlfaBot X8, where advanced features meet user-friendly design for unparalleled cleaning performance. The AlfaBot X8 window cleaning robot stands at the forefront of automated window cleaning, combining cutting-edge technology with practical features for a seamless user experience. With its dual water spray system, this robot ensures a thorough cleaning process on both sides of your windows, leaving them spotless and gleaming. The integration of voice assistant technology adds a layer of convenience, allowing you to control and monitor the cleaning operation with simple voice commands. Whether tackling interior or exterior high-rise windows, the AlfaBot X8 navigates with precision, providing a streak-free finish that redefines window cleaning in 2024. Number 1. CHOVERY. Claiming the prestigious top spot is the CHOVERY Smart Window Cleaner Robot, a powerhouse in the realm of automated window cleaning. Boasting an impressive 5,600 Pascal strong suction, this robot ensures a thorough and efficient cleaning process on a variety of surfaces, including windows, tiles, and glass doors. The inclusion of remote control functionality provides you with the flexibility to customize and monitor the cleaning operation from the comfort of your space. The CHOVERY Window Cleaner Robot stands out for its powerful suction, innovative design, and versatility in tackling different surfaces, setting a new standard for smart window cleaning in 2024. The CHOVERY Smart Window Cleaner Robot takes the crown as the best in the world, offering unparalleled suction power and advanced features for a superior cleaning experience. With 5,600 Pascal strong suction, it tackles dirt and grime on windows, tiles, and glass doors with ease. The added convenience of remote control ensures a user-friendly and customizable cleaning operation. CHOVERY redefines smart window cleaning in 2024, combining strength, innovation, and versatility in a sleek robotic design. Elevate your window cleaning routine with the CHOVERY Smart Window Cleaner Robot, where power meets precision for spotless and gleaming surfaces. In conclusion, our exploration of the best window cleaner robots of 2024 has unveiled a lineup of cutting-edge devices that redefine convenience and efficiency in window cleaning. From the groundbreaking FMART T9 Pro with ultrasonic atomization to the sleek CHOVERY Smart Window Cleaner Robot with 5,600 Pascal strong suction, each product represents the pinnacle of innovation. These robots go beyond traditional cleaning methods, incorporating advanced features like dual water spray, voice assistant, and remote control. As we embrace the future of smart window cleaning, these top-tier robotic solutions set a new standard for excellence in 2024, offering unparalleled performance and ease of use. Elevate your cleaning routine with these technological marvels for spotless and gleaming windows.